been about 3 years since we posted a video on the pop-up camper rebuild. I know, it's been a long time, but life hits you in the face, so you just roll with it. When I was getting out of the Marine Corps, we had to pick it up, and it was in Florida. I was stationed in South Carolina at Parris Island, and we were going to pick it up in Florida, and we're moving back to our home in Virginia. Well, we picked it up, we were pulling it with our RV, and when we did, we had a tire blowout. But the problem was I didn't realize that it blew out because it was such a small trailer at that point. By the time we did, it did some real damage. I don't know if you can see it in there, but the trailer is bent downward now. When the rim blew, it shredded the U-bolts that were on there, and when it did, it kicked the axle back and it went up into the floor about right in there. So the whole frame has a bend to it. I'm gonna have to heat it up and try to bend it, but the springs need to get replaced now because the little clips that are around the springs, they also busted off. I'm gonna do another coat of paint over the whole thing because, like I said, we just let it sit out and not take care of it. So we'll give it a little TLC and get it back on the road. All right, here's the rim. Luckily, this was the spare rim and tire that was on the pop-up, so we were able to put this on there and get us home. And then a mile from the house, you can see that it blew out, but it was dry rotted and it had been there forever. So we ordered a new set, just came in the mail off of Amazon. So we'll be putting this on, and we'll probably just be getting a tire for one of the rims and keep it as a spare tire. Not sure yet, but I think it was a good investment. Go ahead and just get new ones. And then the rims, I'm not sure if they're bent or not. Yeah, this one looks in better, this one here looks in better shape than the one that's on the trailer, but you never know. Anyway, that's where we're at. So all that work we put into it is kind of down the drain. Now, my kids are older. They've got girlfriends in Fortnite, so they don't really care about fixing it up. We're gonna put the lights back on it, we do all of that, but it's not gonna be a camper anymore. It's gonna be a mobile chicken coop. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.